timing. Hello there, my people. It's your coach PK. I hope you're doing well. A quick video for you guys just to talk to you about refereeing and my experiences along the way. So, forget refereeing the game of basketball is refereeing the game of basketball. That's what you need to do. This is your priority. Mechanics, communication, and everything else that is out there, presentation is all great if you have it. It just gives you this 1% advantage if you're gonna be qualifying or you're gonna be looking to referee a grand final or go up on your level. But the number one most important thing about basketball refereeing is calling the game. Is knowing what to call, what not to call, the travels, the violations, all that. This is the most important thing about basketball refereeing. Everything else is important, yes, but the number one is calling the game. So, first of all, what I personally do when I go and referee a game or I get an appointed to a game, at first I start thinking about the game from the moment I get the email, and I start thinking about what I got. Do I have adults? Do I have under 16s, under 18s, under 12s? And then I assess it. It's a high level game? Is it a lower level game? And I go from there and I start already thinking in my head, okay, and adjust my mindset about what I have and how I'm gonna call the game. Get into the game, watch the players warm up, start watching at players and see what skills they have. And a lot of time you will have the starting five having a certain type of skills and the second and third unit not as skillful as the starting five. So you just have to be able to adjust as the game goes and call the game according to the skills and the level of the players that you are refereeing. So this is, for me, the most important thing is to call the game right. And this is the number one when it comes to refereeing. Well, as I promised last time, every time I have a video like that, at the end I'll say something that has happened to me while refereeing that was funny or funky. Anyway, I show up to this game and it's in Collingwood. I get there, domestics, just sort of kids, young kids. I think it was under 12 girls, as a matter of fact. I get there, open my bag, and guess what? No whistle. I just remember, last night I borrowed my whistles to another ref, and he never gave it back to me. My spare whistle, it was on a different bag. So I walk in, I said, listen, I've got no whistle, how are you gonna do that? And the coordinator said, look, you need to ref, the game has to start on time, do what you can. So yeah, this is one of the funny ones. So I can actually say I referee a game or half of a game without a whistle. So just using my loudest voice and trying to call foul, travel, and do the signs and yelling out to the scorers the number of the player they fouled. And it went pretty well. It was under 12 and everybody was happy with my refereeing. So here we go. This one for the story. For history, I referee a game without a whistle. If you can beat that, let me know in the comments down below. And happy to hear from you guys, funny stories about refereeing and what has happened to you in your refereeing time. Until the next video, is your coach PK. Time out.